Cadence. It's home style that he needs. Home style that he needs. Home style.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Homestyle with Heaney, and today we're going to do some Christmas crafts. I'm so excited. It's my favorite time of the year, and I love making gifts for family. Homemade gifts are the best. So today we're going to be making salt dough, so let's get started. Alright, so the ingredients that we're going to use first is a cup of salt. And then we're going to need a cup of flour. And a good way to remember this recipe is just 1 part of each, except for the water. There we go. 1 cup of flour. Mix it up first with then you're going to use a half a cup of water, but you may have to add a little more. And you're basically just going to use a fork to mix it until you form a dough ball. And if you don't mind getting your hands dirty, go ahead and use your hands to form that dough ball. Go ahead and use my hands now. It could be hard if you don't put extra water, and it becomes softer if you add a little water in case you need it to help it bind. But like I said, this is pretty easy to make and it's pretty quick. Like my ball is already formed. I'm just basically scooping little pieces on the bottom of the bowl to blend in to my dough ball. Once this is all ready, we're going to make our ornaments. So let's go ahead and we're going to use wax paper. You don't have to use wax paper, but I like to use wax paper so it won't stick to the countertop. If you don't have wax paper, you can use some flour. So if you have a roller, you can flatten it, but I just break it off into pieces. Usually this one ball can do about 10 ornaments. I'm gonna go ahead and get my cookie cutters. We got some Christmas tree, we got a star, and we have a snowflake. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just press it out. I like to leave it a little thick so that it's not too thin. I want to do a star. Super easy to make. Use a paintbrush to go ahead and the tip of a paintbrush, but if you have a straw, you can use straw or you can even use a pin. But just make sure your circle is nice and round, big enough to fit your ribbon through that you're going to go ahead and poke into your salt dough. Yeah, so I'll just do it right at the tip top. Just try to center it, not too much at the top. And just push it around so that it goes through. And just stretch it out. And you got your ornament. So prints are ready to go in the oven, and we're gonna set the oven at 200. And so it depends on how big they are. These are pretty thick, so I think it can vary from 2 to 3 hours of how long you want it in the oven. You want to make sure that you turn it over if there's still moist. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're going to put them in the oven and see how they come out. I have this awesome baker mat that basically is a non-stick mat that makes cooking with cookie sheets so much easier. But if you don't have one of these mats, if you have parchment paper, feel free to use that. Or even if you want to use foil, that should be fine too. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on a mat and put it in the oven with bake. Ended up making extra dough that I thought I needed, but I don't need it. So what you can do is you can go ahead and store it in the fridge, and it lasts for a couple weeks in the fridge actually. But I'm probably going to use some more time. Yeah, it'll be nice and moist, and if you need to like soften it, just add a little water and some flour, and it should be needed, and it should be good to go. So I'm going to put this in the fridge. Use this for a little bit of time. Alright, so I just took them out of the oven, and I had to have them there for about 2.5 hours. So again, with your temperature being at 200 degrees, depending on how thick your dough is and how big, maybe 3 hours. But since they're smaller pieces, I didn't need all that time. So they're all done, and they came out really nice. Here's the Christmas tree prints, fingerprints that Cadence did. These are going to come out so cute when we paint them. And I did have to flip them over at one point because the inside was still a little moist, as well as going back over the holes and just making sure that they stay open, because sometimes what happens is after this one, the dough will rise and the hole will close. But it's okay if it rises. You can always kind of reshape it by just kind of sanding it down or cutting it down with the dough it is. But yeah, they're all done. These are salt dough ornaments, and then it'll come out so nice. You can always add ribbon to where you put the holes, or you can use hooks. So yeah, that concludes my video. Please leave a comment down below, and like and subscribe if you are already a subscriber. Make sure you press that bell icon so you can get notifications of my next video. And I'll be posting a lot of videos this next couple of weeks because Christmas is almost here, and I have a lot of content in regards to Christmas gift crafts and Christmas gift ideas that I would like to share with you guys. So make sure you stay tuned and check them out. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!